Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an Amazon affiliate link for any Amazon product. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. To do this, you are going to need an Amazon affiliate account. If you don't have one, click the card on screen to my previous video where I show you how to make one. All you want to do is search for the item in here, click enter, and then you get a list of results for every item Amazon has here. Once you found one that suits what you're looking for, come to the get link option on the right, and instead of clicking this, we're going to be clicking the drop down arrow. By clicking this drop down arrow, Amazon is going to give us a direct link that we can share with people, or if you want to shorten this to make it smaller, you can click the shorten URL here and Amazon will make it an even smaller link so it's easier to share. Then to copy it, all you want to do is highlight the text, click Ctrl C, and then Ctrl V and paste it wherever you want to paste it. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to make an Amazon affiliate link. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal and my Amazon affiliate link if you want to check those out and you want to support me. I'd really appreciate it. I make all these videos for free. It would really help me out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.